Hello friends, in this 1 minute video, we will learn about the Google keyboard shortcut Shift then C for composing a new email, right? So for example, if I hit the escape in my Gmail and press Shift then C, you can see that I have a email in the new window. You can also follow along with a guided tool. Visit guideme.io, install the plugin, and let's go ahead and launch the tool using GuideMe. We are going to filter the tools by keyboard shortcut and we'll play the tool for keyboard shortcut Shift then C. So idea is very simple. You need to press the Shift key, then you need to press the C key, and then it will go ahead and launch a new window in which you can compose the email. Again, Shift and C inside Gmail. Try it out. Have fun.